How is it going, everyone? It's Rob from Paragon, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install your Paragon Performance OBD2 port lock on your C8 Corvette. Let's get into it. All right, so here at our OBD2 port, to get this install started, we are going to need to grab one of the included little latches or buckles, and it is going to fit just like that over your OBD2 port. You can kind of feel if it's in the right spot. Now this next step is a little trickier because once you have it set on like this, you are going to need to install the actual cover over it. So can be helpful, use a little piece of 3M tape or something to hold it in place, or you can just use two hands as well. Set it in place and slide that over like that, and you'll feel that's pretty solid on there. Next, using the included screwdriver and screws, simply install the screws into the two holes and tighten them down. And the last step is just installing this little door on. It slides down, turn it, and you are rocking and rolling. That is not going anywhere. And there you guys have it. That is just how simple and easy it is to install our Paragon Performance OBD2 port lock. Now, obviously, you'll want to keep track of your keys and the screwdriver to uninstall this if you do ever need to plug something in down there. But with it installed, you are now ready to rock and roll. Another added layer of protection and safety, helping deter thieves and unwanted updates and tunes from the dealership when you bring your car in. So just gives you a little bit of peace of mind knowing that that OBD2 port is now safe, locked, and protected, unless of course you want to change that with the keys and screwdriver. So there you guys have it. Super easy install. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to leave a like down below, comment, and subscribe. As always, I'm Rob from Paragon, and I'll see you guys in the next video.